Hello eBay sellers. In our recent video, we discussed everything about how you can bring more external traffic through eBay offsite ads. In case you missed it, just check it out from the I button. Today I am gonna show you some real life experiments that we have done on eBay offsite ads, and the result we got will make you impressed. So don't miss it out. In our experiment, we have run offsite ads for the four following categories. 1. eBay Motors category. 2. eBay Consumer Electronics. 3. Computers and networking. 4. Home, furniture and DIY. Before moving to the details, let me show you how to set up eBay offsite ads. It's quite simple. If you are an eligible seller, you can find the offsite ad options in your seller dashboard. Simply go to the marketing tab. From there, click on offsite ads and follow the instructions. That's it. So, our first category was the motors category. Here we saw an amazing 8k plus sales in the last 90 days. As we started eBay offsite ads over the last few months, we are very curious. Like, we are asking ourselves, is it going to paying us well? So, when we checked, we found over the last few months, our eBay Motors category offsite ads generated a total of around 1.5k clicks with an average CPC of just 0.60. That's a fantastic rate, right? This indicates that we are getting quality traffic to our listings at a cheaper cost. Our offsite ads have been very effective in turning clicks into sales. For every 100 people who clicked on our ads, around 2 people bought something. That's a conversion rate of around 2%. And for every dollar we spent on ads, we generated around $8.67 in revenue with a ROAS of 8.67. Of course, there are other costs associated with offsite ads. In the last 90 days, we spent around 1k on ads for this category. But that's a small price to pay for the sales we have generated. Our second category was consumer electronics. In the last 90 days, the sales reached an exceptional of around 1.8k. While running eBay offsite ads for this category over the last few months, we generated a total of around 900 clicks with an extremely low average CPC around $0.24. This means we are driving significant traffic to our listings while keeping our advertising costs under control. This is the total scenario. If we look at offsite ads particularly, we can see it's also converting well. The conversion rate for eBay consumer electronics was remarkable around 4%. This shows how our ads are effectively turning interested shoppers into satisfied buyers. And the sales are from outside eBay. And finally, our return on investment is off the charts. With a ROAS of around 9, we have generated around $9 in revenue for every dollar we spent on eBay offsite ads. Okay, now the third category, cotton crib mattresses. In the last 90 days, the total sales was around 700 pounds. Our offsite ads have gotten a total of around 900 clicks with an average CPC of just 0.16. That means we are driving a tons of traffic to our listings while keeping our advertising costs low. And our cot and crib mattresses are no exception. Our offsite ads for those have a conversion rate of around 6%, which is amazing. That's mean for every 100 people who see our ads, around 6 of them actually buy our product. Our ROS for cotton crib mattresses is also really high. It's around 4.29. That means for every 1 pound we spend on advertising, we are making around 4.9 pounds in sales. The last and final category is home, furniture and DIY. You can see our total sales were around 1k. Over the last few months, we generated around 1.2k clicks from this category with an extremely low average CPC around 0.17. This means we are driving significant traffic to our listings while keeping the advertising costs under control. Now let's examine how our offsite ads have contributed to these numbers. Our conversion rate for this category was a remarkable around 6%. This shows how our offsite ads effectively converted interested shoppers into satisfied buyers. Additionally, the return on ad spend, ROS, was around 5.96. The cost of the ads was around 175 pounds. Once again, the result shows that the return on investment was much greater than the cost of the ad. To sum up, the performance of offsite ads for our categories has been excellent. We have seen significant sales, high conversion rates, and an impressive return on ad spend, all while keeping the cost per click to a minimum. We can run ads for all categories that are eligible for offsite ads, so you should also give it a try. So, why are you waiting for? Take advantage of eBay's offside ads today and see your sales skyrocket. That's all for today. We hope this video helps you to understand the importance of eBay offside ads. If you have any difficulties with eBay offside ads, we are here to help. For any queries, you can email us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. You can also check out our website www.ecomclips.com to get useful blogs that may help out your business a lot. Our team can provide you with the best solution of all time. If this video is helpful for you, remember to like, comment and share with others. Please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. Thank you.